Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, all of you are fine, right? Okay. So, last class we had completed the chapter water pollution, isn't it? Okay, so we came to know the different points about the water pollution. See, even though we are blessed with the water sources, we won't take care of it. നമ്മളതിനെ ഒരുപാട് വാട്ടർ സോഴ്സസൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് തന്ന് നമ്മൾ ബ്ലെസ്ഡ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിനെ വേണ്ട പോലെ കെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. വി വോണ്ട് ടേക്ക് കെയർ ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്, റൈറ്റ്? സോ വി പീപ്പിൾ ഹ്യൂമൻ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് നമ്മുടെ മനുഷ്യരുടെ പ്രവൃത്തി കൊണ്ട് വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻസ്, ദ വാട്ടർ ഈസ് ഗെറ്റിംഗ് പൊല്യൂട്ടഡ്. വെള്ളം പൊല്യൂട്ടായി പോകുന്നു, അല്ലേ? സോ different reasons are there for the water pollution. The human activities such as bathing, washing, cleaning utensils, or then spilling of oils from the ships in the sea, then sewage dumping, household waste dumping. These all are different causes of water pollution, isn't it? And it is badly affected for the humans and animals, other aquatic plants and animals and all, isn't it? See, if the humans are using this polluted water, what happens? The disease such as cholera, typhoid, dysentery, then diarrhea, other skin diseases, skin allergy, these all will be there. The humans will be very badly affected if they are consuming the polluted water, isn't it? Then about the aquatic animals, the pollutants in the water kills the fish. Then other aquatic animals like seals, then dolphin, these all are killed with the pollutants in the water. And we know that the aquatic animals are mostly affected and they are in the great threat of extinction. അവരുടെ ജീവൻ്റെ നിലനിൽപ്പിന് തന്നെ പ്രശ്നമാണ് ഈ വാട്ടർ പൊല്യൂഷൻ, aquatic animals, because we know that 71% of the earth is surrounded by water എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, അല്ലേ? സോ the mostly affected animals are aquatic animals with the water pollution, that you know. Then we came to know about the water purification. See, we all know that we should not drink the polluted water, so we had to purify it. So the water is getting purified in the water purification plant. Water purification plant-ilana നമ്മൾ വെള്ളം പ്യൂരിഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, and there are 2 steps for the water purification, that all we know. First, it is filtered in order to remove the solid impurities, and after the filtration the water is treated with the chemicals in order to kill the germsനൊക്കെ കൊല്ലാൻ വേണ്ടി നശിപ്പിച്ച് കളയാൻ വേണ്ടി കെമിക്കൽസ് ഇട്ട് നന്നായി ട്രീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് വാട്ടറിന്. സോ those steps, 2 steps are done, and after that water is getting distributed. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്, നെക്സ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ്, എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് ഡ്രിങ്കിങ് വാട്ടർ ക്ലീനായി വെക്കാം എന്ന് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. So that is very simple things only. We should not keep the drinking water pots open. We had to cover it, or we had to close it with a lid or something, or else the dust particles will be there. Okay, then we should not use the water that's kept for long time. ഒരുപാട് സമയം വെച്ച വെള്ളം നമ്മൾ കുടിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല, isn't it? So, and next step is we have to use a long handled cup to take the water from the pot. വലിയ നീളമുള്ള പിടിയുള്ള കപ്പ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് വെള്ളം എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഫിംഗർ ടച്ച് അവോയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യാം. We can avoid the contact with the finger so that the water will not be polluted. These all things we had discussed, and we came to know about the real incident about the water exploitation in the Plachimada village, right? And so the chapter is completed. Now we can do the textual exercise. So what's the first one? Take the correct answers and write them on the blanks. What is it? Dash cause water pollution. Is it chemicals and pesticides or salt from the sea or melting ice or animals? ഏതാണ് water pollution കാരണമാകുന്നത്? Chemicals and pesticides. Okay. Then second one. Marine life is affected by the pollution caused by air, groundwater, rainwater, oil spills. What is it? Oil spills. You remember, right? We had told that the ships carrying oil had a chance to spill it. So oil spills is the answer. Okay. At the water treatment plant, the water is first filtered to remove dash impurities. What is it? Solid impurities. Chemical we can't say, liquid we can't say, salty we can't say. What is that answer? Solid, isn't it? Okay, now fill in the blanks. Fresh water is a dash resource. Natural resource, it is given by nature. Water fit for human consumption is called dash water. What is it? Potable water. When solid impurities have been removed from water, it is treated with chemicals. Okay, children. Now you are asked to name the following. Any one way in which water gets polluted in a city. Untreated sewage. Isn't it? Any one way in which solid impurities can be removed from water. What is it? Filtration. Next one. Any one way in which germs can be removed from water. Chemical treatment. Okay. Now answer these questions. What is it? Why is the water in rivers, ponds and lakes not fit for drinking? Can you say why is it not fit for drinking? Because it's already polluted with the human activities, isn't it? So solid impurities are there and germs are there, so we can't use it for drinking. And explain the process by which water is purified in a water treatment plant. Water is collected in huge tanks, then it is first step is filtered to remove the solid impurities. Then after the filtration, it is treated with the chemicals so that the germs are killed. And whenever these steps are over, the water will be supplied to different localities. Okay. Now children, third question. What is potable water? Potable water means the water that is suitable for drinking. Means clean water. Okay. And how can we purify water at home? എങ്ങനെ പ്യൂരിഫൈ ചെയ്യാം? By boiling or by using water purifier. Okay children. Then now just think and answer that you can say. Okay, just for your thinking power. Imagine that you are near a river and are thirsty. How can you filter a little water from the river so that you can drink it? നമുക്കത് ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ പുഴയിലെ വെള്ളമൊക്കെ കുടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? You think of it. Suppose if we are forced to do it, what we will do? We can't imagine that. Yet, if we are forced, നമ്മൾ അതങ്ങനെ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ വന്ന് പെട്ടാൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? First we had to filter that water and then we had to boil it. Then only we can use it. Okay, how can you make sure that you always have clean water for drinking even when you are traveling? നമ്മൾ യാത്ര ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ കുടിക്കുന്ന വെള്ളം വളരെ ക്ലീൻ ആണെന്ന് എങ്ങനെ അഷ്വർ ആക്കാം? എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും? each person have different answers. Which is the best answer? We can carry the boiled clean water from our home. That is the best clean water for drinking, isn't it children? Okay, so children, we had completed this chapter of water pollution and we had done the revision and we had done the textual exercise. Okay children, now then whatever the new words and notes sent in the classroom you can copy. Okay children, thank you.